Hello everyone, and welcome to the release notes of GrabCAD Print 1.41. We have a lot of updates coming with this release. CAD file version update. The latest version of CAD packages are now supported in GrabCAD Print. This includes SolidWorks 2020, Inventor 2020, Creo 6.0, and more. Change the material of the support grid for PolyJet prints. You can now change the material used in the support grid to save your more commonly used materials. All the support structures on the tray will be printed with the selected materials. The material selection can be done in the tray settings, advanced, material used to strengthen support. Groups functionality expands to allow multiple settings applied to individual bodies. In an effort to bring in more advanced FDM functionality into print, you can now apply different material settings to bodies within groups. By right-clicking on the group, you can toggle between separate bodies or combined bodies. Separate bodies and faces may have settings applied independently of bodies and faces. This is similar to how advanced FDM works right now. Combined bodies, all bodies in the group act as a single body, within one body setting applied to the whole group, and inner boundaries removed. This is similar to how assemblies normally work when you choose assembled without creating a group. Groups functionality expands to allow face settings on an assembled group. When an assembled group has separate bodies selected, surface thickness, seam placement, and inserts are available in the Model Settings panel under the Face tab. Previously, this functionality was only available in Advanced FDM. Change how supports are grown for FDM prints. Small features needing support on FDM prints generate support that grows wider underneath the feature. This can now be controlled by the Grow Support setting, which allows you to change from the default of Grow Small Supports only to Do Not Change Grow Supports or Grow All Supports. Turning off support growth may be useful in reducing the material usage and print time for some parts. New color profiles for PolyJet prints. New Vivid 2.0 color profiles have been added to GrabCAD Print, which offers improved color rendering. The default color profiles have not changed and remain Vivid 1.1. SolidWorks assemblies with face colors now supported. SolidWorks assemblies with face colors can now be loaded directly into GrabCAD Print without the additional step of saving them as a multi-body part. Assembly structure for 3MF files. For FDM printers, 3MF files with assembly structure will now load with their structure. Restore FDM settings to default. When you change an FDM setting on a slider, a black diamond will indicate the default value. Clicking it restores the default value. Plan jobs easily using GrabCAD Shop. With this release of GrabCAD Print, you can easily open files from orders in GrabCAD Shop onto your tray in GrabCAD Print. This saves time, avoids downloading CAD files from emails or other request management software, and helps efficiently plan your trays. If you haven't done so already, sign up for GrabCAD Shop. GrabCAD Print Server is ending support for deprecated versions and old operating systems. Old versions of Print Server will lose connectivity on June 30th. Please ensure that you are running a 2.0 version of Print Server before this date to maintain connectivity. Normal updates to GrabCAD Print Server happen automatically. However, the upgrade to 2.0 released in June 2019 requires you to uninstall and reinstall manually. Additionally, machines used for Print Server 2.0, which are running on old operating systems, will lose connectivity on June 30th. Support operating systems are Windows 10, 64-bit, and Windows Server 2016 and newer. And that is all what we have for you in this release in GrabCAD Print 1.41. Thank you for watching.